Introduction to garage door counterbalance. Is your garage door heavy to lift, slamming shut, or struggling to open? It might be a problem with your counterbalance system. In this video, we'll give you a quick introduction to garage door counterbalances and why they are essential for safety and smooth operation. We'll cover the basics of how these systems work, the key components involved: springs, cables, and drums, and a simple visual check you can do to see if your counterbalance might need attention. Understanding your garage door counterbalance is the first step to keeping your door working properly and preventing bigger problems down the road. Watch now to learn more. Introduction: What is a garage door counterbalance? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Door and Dock Solutions channel. Have you ever thought about how your garage door, which can weigh hundreds of pounds, opens and closes so easily? The secret is the counterbalance system. The counterbalance system is essentially the muscle behind your garage door's smooth operation. It's a system of mechanical components designed to offset the weight of the door, making it easy to lift and control. Without a properly working counterbalance, your garage door would be incredibly heavy and dangerous to operate, and it would put excessive strain on your garage door opener. Why is it important? So, why is a good counterbalance system so important? Firstly, safety. A properly balanced door stays where you put it. Imagine if the springs broke and there was no counterbalance, the door could come crashing down unexpectedly, causing serious injury or damage. Secondly, ease of use. A well-balanced door is light to lift manually. In fact, you should be able to lift a properly balanced door with just one hand. This is crucial in power outages or if your opener fails. Finally, opener longevity. Your garage door opener is designed to move a balanced door, not lift a heavy one. A poor counterbalance forces your opener to work much harder, leading to premature wear and tear and costly repairs. How does it work? Basic components. The most common type of counterbalance system uses springs. There are two main types: torsion springs and extension springs. Torsion springs are mounted above the door and use torque to counterbalance the weight. As the door closes, the springs wind up, storing energy. When the door opens, they unwind, releasing that energy to help lift the door. Extension springs are located on the sides of the tracks. They work by stretching as the door closes, building tension, and then contracting to assist in opening. Both systems also use cables and drums or pulleys to transfer the spring force to the door itself, ensuring even lifting and lowering on both sides. Simple visual check for issues. Here is a quick visual check you can do to get an idea of your counterbalance health. First, with the garage door opener disengaged, try to lift the door manually. It should move smoothly and stay open at any point without much effort. Next, look at your springs and cables. Are the springs broken or excessively rusty? Are the cables frayed, loose, or uneven on either side? These are all signs of potential problems. Important safety note: garage door springs are under high tension and can be dangerous to adjust or replace yourself. If you suspect a problem with your counterbalance, it's always best to call a qualified garage door technician. Conclusion: So, in summary, the garage door counterbalance system is crucial for safety, ease of use, and the lifespan of your opener. Understanding the basics and doing simple visual checks can help you identify potential issues early. If you notice your garage door is difficult to operate or see any signs of damage to your springs or cables, don't hesitate to contact a professional garage door service for inspection and repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more garage door tips and information.